We lose things. We lose things we shouldn't. We lose things we never had the right to lose. Somewhere along the way, we started to forget. Forget the things that matter most. Before long, we even started to lose bits of ourselves. The times of our lives. Some of us will search the world to get them back, to find them again, to hold once more. Only then do we discover we never really lost them at all.